In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are going to learn about demonstrative pronouns. What are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are words that point to specific things, people, places. They help us show exactly what or who we are talking about. How many demonstrative pronouns are there? There are four main demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, those. This is singular for something close by. Example, this is my book near you. That is also singular for something far away. Example, that is your pen far from you. These are plural for things close by. Example, these are my shoes near you. Those are also plural for things far away. Example, those are your toys far from you. Let's do exercise. Pick out the demonstrative pronouns in the following sentences. This is a very old fort. Fort means it's a strong building with high walls used for defense. This is demonstrative pronouns. Do not fear that. That is also demonstrative pronouns. What is this? Is demonstrative pronouns. That is a ball. That is demonstrative pronouns. These and those are demonstrative pronouns. What month is this? This is demonstrative pronoun. These are my castles. These are demonstrative pronouns. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, leave them in the comments box. Thank you for watching.